What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. Awesome. So we did push down one ATR from this bearish candle. Then we have a quick spike up. And as you can see from this bearish candle, we had price pushed down at least one ATR from here. But remember, very important for the confirmed bullish condition, we want to see a break and close above this trend line. As you can see, the price just resisted this trend line. I want to see a break and close above this trend line and then a possible pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing condition, and we're going to keep on taking longs till this recent high, from where we will look for a double top trade. So very important again, as long as we are below the trend line, we are not going to look for the bullish trade. For the bullish trade, very important, break above the trend line and above 50 EMA and also above this little wick. In that case, I will start to look for my pullback entry bullish. For now, if this candle turns to be a green candle and then very next candle turns to be a bearish engulfing candle, in that case, that will be a strong sell signal and price will likely to push down. And if we have a break below this low, we're going to keep on taking shots till we are in the zone below, right here, from where we're going to look for a counter trend trade. So very important, these are conditions I'll be looking at for bullish and bearish trades. Right here on Ovanda. Now, as you can see, the price is forming a bullish engulfing candle right here. So that is also a signal, but a weak signal, not very strong. But here on this platform, looking at this bullish engulfer, we'll have a chance that price will push up from here. So for me, I will not take this as an entry. That will be risky for me. The confirmed entry will be right at 1.583. That goes to 1.598, from where I will look for my next buy trade. Right here, that could be a weak signal, but still happened at the area of value. This is a major area of value, level of significance. If you look back, price has massively pushed up from this area. And if I show you, we had a push down, price from a bullish engulfer, pushed up, bullish engulfer, pushed up, bearish engulfer, then pushed down, and in that process price pushes up. So for the price to reverse completely, it will take some time. So we have to be really patient and look for the condition for our next trade. But this is the level of major significance. That is why we can still get a reaction out of this area. Again, if you want to take a risk, that can be an entry, buy entry, if this turns to be a bullish engulfing candle. If this closed as a bullish engulfing candle, and if broken above 50 EMA, then we have a confirmation that price wants to pull back, and then it keeps on pushing up till the next level of resistance, which I've already mentioned in my weekends video, which I'm going to mention in my next video as well. For now, look for this condition. Once we have a condition, we are good to go. But for me, the strong entry again from here. But if now this reacts nicely and price completed as a bullish engulfer and the price break above 50 EMA, in that case, we have a very likely chance the price will start to push up from here. Here on NEMEX. Now, if you have a condition here, let's say we have a bearish engulfer here, that is your entry condition for bearish trade. So very simple, black and white. All you need to look for your conditions on your own platform. So once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trade. But here, if you see, the price just formed a good bullish candle at this little anchor level, but that is not a bullish engulfer. The price opened above the previous candle. But if next candle has a bearish engulfer, small candle, I don't want to see a big bearish candle, something like this, bearish engulfer. If we have that, we can expect some push down. Again, we are still bullish, but we can only look for short-term bearish trades, not a long-term. Long-term is still bullish for natural gas as long as we are above these previous lows. So don't get confused. I'll be personally looking at my buy condition if the price forms a condition here, but looking at this bullish candle again on Ovanda, we can expect a price to push up from here. If broken above 50 EMA, we can get a possible spike up from here. The other two platform, if there is no condition, we are not gonna look for any trades. Next, we have gold. What a nice push up out of gold, and clearly mentioned yesterday that we have this entry condition that closed above 20 EMA and above 50 EMA as well. Now let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Gold is pushing up, and as you can see, has just formed a 382 candle right here, and which is closed above 50 EMA. Strong bullish pressure, and looking at that formed at the anchor level as well. So looking at that, I'm now expecting a price to push up from here. At least looking at the ATR, it is $22, high volatility here, war situation, awesome. So as you can see, how much push up we got. As mentioned yesterday, $22 was our target. If you hover over this candle, is $22. dollars, take profit, price nicely pushed up from here. 26, at least more than 1 ATR, it pushed up either 2 ATR nicely, and then it hit right here a little anchor level. Now from here I'm expecting some more push down and some range before the price will push up again, as we still have tensions of the wars. That is why I'm still expecting a price to push higher, and if there is a news there that the war tensions are cooling down, then we will see a dramatic push down. So as long as we have these tensions, the price will keep on rising. Now the next condition for me, I want to see a nice break above this rejection box. Only then I will look for my next pullback entry bullish. Otherwise I'm going to wait with patience, looking at this rejection box, rejection here. I'm expecting some range and then a nice push down before the price will push up from here. So once broken above, we're going to look for the next pullback entry bullish. For now, I'm taking no trade at this point out of gold. Wait for the price to break out, but expect some nice and good push down till 50 EMA or at least 20 EMA. So exactly the same for silver. I can see a good bullish pressure out of silver. Nice 382 candle, nice 382 candle right here. So looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up from it. Just to confirm if that's a 382 candle or not, let's see. That is a valid 382 candle. So I'm looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up and at least hit this rejection box right here, from where we can expect some nice push down. So expect a good push up from here, not looking for pullback entries, but looking at these 382 candles, I'm now expecting a price to push up at least 1 ATR, which is 0.50 cents, from where we can get another push down. So still bullish for silver. For next pullback entry, I want to see a complete break above this high to take my next pullback entry bullish. For now, expect a push up out of silver, not selling as long as we are above 50 EMA. We have crude oil. Crude oil is just ranging sideways within this box. As you can see, there's a little flag pattern right here. All we want to see a breakout. Now for the crude oil, if we have a breakout with a good momentum, body must close. As you can see, the wick has gone down, but we want to see a body to close below. If we have a body to close below with at least 2 red candles, only then we have a confirmation that price will then push lower and we're going to take pullback entry bearish. Now, if we have a news event and that push the price higher, that is likely that we will have a breakout above right here above this high. If you have a close of this candle, then price will likely hit a level above, which is 90.71. That goes up to 93.26, from where we're going to look for our counter trend trade. So wait and see, not taking any trades out of crude oil until we see a clear breakout above or below. Once we see a breakout above, in that case we have a confirmation that price wants to push up. If we have a breakout below, we have a confirmation that price wants to push lower to this next trend continuation zone bullish, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. Lastly, I want to add cocoa. Cocoa is pushing up nicely, breaking above all the anchor levels, as you can see right here, and we have a break above another anchor level and price is now pushing back down to it. So for this one, I'm not looking for any sell trade. What I'm expecting, as now price just break above this anchor level and now came back and pulled back to it, what I'm expecting, either we see a bullish candle here. Let's say we have a red, small red, and a bigger bullish candle here. In that case, we will have another push up, likely break above, and price will create another anchor level. So this is what I'm expecting. If we see a bullish condition within this anchor level, which is right here, in that case we will have a strong buy signal. If there is no condition here, then we will have a very possible chance that price will push down to 50 EMA somewhere here, from where we can get a very likely chance of a bounce up. And if we have a condition above 50 EMA, that will be one of my strong and favorite condition. If we have a push down to 50 EMA and price from a bullish engulfer within this anchor level, price will then push up at least till recent high, and once broke above, it will push up even further. So these are the conditions I will be looking at, only looking for trending trade, pullback trades in an uptrend with a pullback, bullish engulfer, and keep on taking longs. And these two areas are the areas from where we can expect a bullish signal. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you did green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.